Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fort Erie, local and long-distance movers near me. You can hire a cheap Fort Erie moving company to make your local or long-distance move easier. 3 Movers provides you with the best moving services with affordable rates and fast service. We know how to get you settled into your new location sooner. Our team has helped veterans, families, businesses, and students move across the country or just down the road. You can enjoy an easier relocation when you choose our long-distance moving services with options such as packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. We offer plenty of options to make your relocation simpler. Our team of long-distance movers provides you all the right services to get to where you need to go faster and easier. You can move 100 miles away or further with ease when you hire us. Are you trying to hire a Canada moving company for your local move? Do you want to avoid the heavy lifting and hard work that comes with any move? The right local movers will do all the work for you. 3 Movers offers the team you need to make a local move simple. We provide a streamlined moving process to get you settled in sooner and with more energy. With us, a 3-day move takes a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort Erie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.